Here is the end result. If I visit Duffy's Forest, I get the specific links in the results that are assigned for that service and suburb. If I was to visit one of the generic pages, I would just be seeing the generic links for all services. So if I was to add tile roof repair, and then I've got the specific link for Artemon. Well, you just install locally, Fluent Snippet, Looper Custom. We have one for the FAQ, one for the service issues, another one for related service. That's what we would want to be looking at. This new functionality, let's just take this 3 words, and this is going to be related suburb. We're basically passing in the current suburb that we're on, and we're giving the results of other pages within that suburb. If I'm in a page of Lindfield, I want to show related services that are in Lindfield. If there is not a related service, I want it to fall back to a service that doesn't have a suburb. It's not a suburb, based related search, service found, output a generic service. Look through here, it knows that it can find related service and related suburb. And I wanted to understand the ACF fields, just want the field groups and post types. Created a folder named docs, place the JSON of the ACF in there. So here is my ACF. What I'm trying to do here is, when we're on a specific suburb, I want these service links to include the suburb in the URL if there is a related page existing in that suburb. I'm going to name them here what I want them to be in the array output, because we can name them whatever we like. It has looked into the ACF setup to discover the correct naming of those ACF fields. So I'll take the name of this custom looper and add that in as a custom looper provider. Output array has these items: link, order, image, title. So we matched the fields up. So service underscore image. I had to update the logic because it was expecting service post types to be associated with suburbs, but the suburbs are a relationship on each page. So this one finds Sarking Repair in Duffy's Forest. If there wasn't Duffy's Forest Sarking Repair existing, it would just fall back to the defaults. Defaults are like this, where there is no matched ID. Here is the end result. If I visit Duffy's Forest, links in the results that are assigned for that service and suburb. If I was to visit one of the generic pages, I would just be seeing the generic links for all services. So I've assigned suburbs over there. So if I was to visit Artemon, add tile roof repair, I'll refresh the page, and then I've got the specific link for Artemon.